Everyone, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2013 Volkswagen Jetta S 2.0 engine in it, 121,000 miles. Drives really good. We just serviced it. New battery, oil change. Body's in good shape. A couple little marks here on the rear bumper and a little bit on the front bumper. But besides that, the inside and outside of this car, for its age, are really good shape. Let's see, we got a little paint chip down there. Go ahead and check out the inside. Is a cloth interior, so it is the S model, but the interior of this one is in really good shape. As you can see, 121,344 miles. Start her up. AC's ice cold. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a holler. 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Shoot us an email, theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for checking out our video.